Top story at 5. Let's talk more about the hurricane. Let's go back 2 years, actually, first, and show you what it looked like the last time a major storm surge hit the Nature Coast. This video here behind me showing a dock getting swept away in Cedar Key, and also some streets flooded as well. Yeah, you see it right here. It was a town devastated by Hurricane Hermine 2 years ago, and they're now preparing for a potential repeat with Hurricane Michael. ABC Action News reporter Adam Weiner is live for us in Citrus County, where right now schools are closed and sandbags are ready for people. Good morning, Adam.
Good morning there. Yeah, this school behind me, one of 4 here in Citrus County that has canceled classes and is now a hurricane shelter. They are inviting people here for shelter this morning if they need it. Now, many of the people who take advantage might be coming from that Cedar Key Island. Back in 2016, that area was underwater thanks to Hurricane Hermine. Popular fishing town flooded by storm surge affecting homes and businesses. Well, that town rebuilt, but now the island is once again under an order to evacuate. Some stores already shut down yesterday, we saw, and this morning it's going to be a busy day of preparations.
And now they're dealing with this again. So it's a worry. It's just something that in our hearts we know can happen. You live in Florida and you live on the water. You have to be ready for it.
Now, residents tell us they're just really hoping that storm, as Shay mentioned, might happen, will stay west.